Unveiling the Basics. Terrace Tiles Explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to discover what terrace tiles are and how this term is used in English. Whether you're renovating your home or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding terms like these can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. Terrace tiles are a specific kind of flooring used to cover the outdoor areas of a house, particularly a terrace or balcony. These tiles are designed to be durable and withstand outdoor conditions like sun exposure, rain, and temperature changes. They come in various materials, including ceramic, porcelain, and stone. Selecting the right terrace tiles is crucial as they are not only a functional aspect of your home but also an aesthetic one. They should be slip-resistant to ensure safety when the surface is wet. Moreover, the right choice of tiles can enhance the beauty and value of your property. Installing terrace tiles requires careful planning and execution. It includes steps such as preparing the surface, laying the tiles with precision, and finishing with grout. It's important to ensure that the installation allows for proper drainage and aligns with the design of the space. Maintaining terrace tiles involves regular cleaning, checking for any loose tiles, and sealing them if necessary. Proper maintenance ensures a longer life for your tiles and keeps your terrace looking its best. We hope this video has shed light on what terrace tiles are and their significance in home design. Remember, choosing the right tiles can transform an ordinary outdoor space into a stunning one. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in our English learning series. Goodbye for now, and keep learning.